Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best salad spinners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the VHOOM Salad Spinner. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $16.99, making it perfect for anyone who wants a simple yet functional salad spinner without breaking the bank. With a compact 3-quart capacity, it's ideal for small salads or washing smaller batches of fruits and vegetables. Its quick and convenient operation allows you to wash, spin, and dry your greens in seconds, saving you time during meal prep. The mesh basket doubles as a colander, and the clear plastic bowl can also be used as a serving dish, adding versatility to its design. In terms of design and build quality, the VHOOM Salad Spinner is lightweight, weighing only 1.32 pounds, and features a non-skid base that keeps it stable during use. This ensures that the spinner remains steady on your countertop, preventing spills or messes. However, the plastic construction feels a bit less durable compared to higher-end models, which is something to consider if you plan on using it frequently. Performance-wise, the VHOOM spinner works efficiently for smaller tasks, but its compact size might limit its functionality for large families or bigger meal prep sessions. It's a great option for single users or couples, as it takes up minimal storage space. While it's not the most robust salad spinner out there, its price and reliability make it a great starter option. Pros include affordability, compact size, and stability, while cons include limited capacity and less durable construction. Coming in at number 4 is the Cuisinart Salad Spinner, priced at $17.99. This spinner offers a slightly upgraded experience while still being budget-friendly. With a 3-quart capacity, it's perfect for small salads or a basket of fruits and vegetables. The standout feature here is the user-friendly spin knob, which makes spinning quick and efficient. You can add or drain water without removing the lid, which adds convenience during operation. Plus, the clear base doubles as a serving bowl, making the spinner a versatile kitchen tool. The design and build quality are solid for its price point. Weighing only 1.43 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle. The non-skid base ensures stability during use, minimizing unwanted movement or mess. It's backed by a lifetime warranty, which gives you peace of mind in terms of durability and long-term performance. However, some users might find the capacity limiting for larger salads or meal prep, and the plastic construction may not match the elegance or sturdiness of premium models. When it comes to performance, the Cuisinart Salad Spinner does an excellent job of washing and drying greens efficiently. It's straightforward to use and easy to clean, making it perfect for quick tasks in the kitchen. Overall, this spinner is best suited for small households or those who need a reliable tool for light-duty salad prep. Pros include its ergonomic design, lifetime warranty, and versatility, while cons include limited capacity and plastic build. At number 3, we have the Farberware Easy-to-Use Pro Pump Spinner. With a price tag of $26.99, this mid-range model offers a generous 6.6-quart capacity, making it ideal for larger families or anyone who needs to prepare bigger batches of greens. It features a one-handed pump mechanism for easy operation. Simply push down to spin and tap the brake button when you're done. The built-in draining system is a thoughtful addition, saving you the hassle of manually pouring out water. The design is robust, with a clear plastic bowl that doubles as a salad or mixing bowl, and a basket that can be used as a colander. The non-slip base ensures stability during use, and the spinner is engineered for durability. However, it's worth noting that this model is not dishwasher safe, which may require a bit more effort when cleaning. At 2.99 pounds, it's heavier than some other options, but it feels sturdy and reliable as a result. In terms of performance, the Farberware spinner excels at drying greens quickly and efficiently, even in large quantities. It's perfect for families or for anyone who entertains often. The versatility of the bowl and basket adds extra value, making it more than just a salad spinner. Pros include its large capacity, ease of use, and stability, while cons include its heavier weight and lack of dishwasher compatibility. Taking the number 2 spot is the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. Priced at $29.99, This spinner is a favorite among consumers, boasting over 51,000 positive reviews. Its standout feature is the one-touch pump mechanism, which allows for effortless operation with just one hand. The patented brake system stops the basket instantly, giving you complete control. With a 6.22 quart capacity, it's versatile enough for both small and large batches. Okay, taking the number 2 spot is the OXO Good Grips salad spinner. Priced at $29.99, this spinner is a favorite among consumers, boasting over 51,000 positive reviews. Its standout feature is the one-touch pump mechanism, which allows for effortless operation with just one hand. The patented brake system stops the basket instantly, getting you complete control. With a 6.22 quart capacity, it's versatile enough for both small and little. The lid locks flush for easy storage, and all parts are top-rack dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. The design and build quality are exceptional. OXO is known for their user-friendly designs, and this spinner is no exception. The non-skid base keeps it firmly in place during use, and the clear bowl can double as a serving dish. The lid comes apart for thorough cleaning, preventing moisture buildup that could lead to odors or mold. At 2.5 pounds, it strikes a perfect balance between lightweight and sturdy. Performance-wise, the OXO spinner delivers consistent results, drying greens quickly and evenly. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable tool that's easy to use and built to last. Whether you're prepping a single salad or hosting a dinner party, this spinner can handle it all. Pros include its intuitive design, large capacity, and easy cleanup. Excellent. It's definitely worth buying. This product in price range of $29.99 and over 51,000 positive reviews. Its standout feature is the one-touch pump mechanism, which allows for effortless operation with just one hand. The patented brake system stops the basket instantly, giving you complete control. From our estimated body weight characteristics, it strikes a perfect balance between lightweight and sturdy. Performance-wise, the OXO spinner delivers consistent results. While cons include a slightly higher price point compared to budget models. Now, people always ask, why did you choose the OXO Good Grip salad spinner? While cons include a slightly higher price point compared to budget models. While cons include a slightly higher price point compared to budget models. Considering its excellent design and build quality, it's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable tool that's easy to use and built to last. At 2.5 pounds, it's versatile enough for both small and large batches. It strikes a perfect balance between lightweight and sturdy. Performance-wise, the OXO spinner delivers consistent results, drying greens quickly and evenly. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable tool that's easy to use and built to last. At 2.5 pounds, the OXO spinner delivers consistent results. Drying greens quickly and evenly. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable tool that's easy to use and built to last. And finally, at number 1, we have the stainless steel salad spinner by Nordell. Priced at $39.99, this premium model is as elegant as it is functional. Its spacious 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl not only dries greens efficiently, but also doubles as a sleek serving dish. The Instant Stop feature allows you to halt the spinning mechanism immediately, giving you total control. The BPA-free construction ensures your food stays safe and fresh, while the non-slip base keeps the spinner stable during operation. The design and build quality are top-notch. The stainless steel construction exudes durability and sophistication, making it a standout choice for modern kitchens. At 3.75 pounds, it's heavier than other models, but this adds to its sturdiness and premium feel. The cream white accents are visually appealing, making it a tool you'll want to display rather than hide away. Cleaning is straightforward, although it's not dishwasher safe, so hand washing is necessary. Performance-wise, the Nordell spinner excels in every category, from drying greens to rinsing delicate fruits like berries. It's versatile, durable, and perfect for anyone who values aesthetics and functionality. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its quality and features justify the price tag. Pros include its elegant design, superior durability, and large capacity, while cons include its higher price and lack of dishwasher compatibility. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.